Important parenting tips for your child age group 3 to 10 years. 3 to 10 years. This age group is the most important age group stage because it's a brain development stage. As we know, 80% of child brain developments will be completed within 10 years. That is why we say this is the important age group stage. From 3 to 10 years, child will undergo education from nursery to 5th standard. So every child is a unique. Don't underestimate your child abilities by comparing with other children. Find the uniqueness in your child. This is the best time to improve your child memory power. Understand your child unique and try to improve your child memory power. Don't put too much pressure on the child. This is a child brain development stage. It's not a career stage. So encourage your child creativity skills because which will help them to build memory power. Don't give only importance to science and maths. In later education you can give importance to science and maths, but in this age group give importance to all the subjects because this is a foundation stage. If you give importance to activity and sports, where child can get enhance their memory power drastically. Give importance to creativity and right brain activities. If you give right brain activities importance, child memory power will be increased drastically and grasping power also. Teaching and understanding is a traditional way, but understanding and teaching accordingly is the new way. It's a modern style. Understand the modern style and give importance accordingly. Don't analyze a child in your way. That means with respect to your age. Try to understand the generation gap and technology development. Try to fill them with a proper parenting tips. So you have got the importance parenting tips. So how to understand your child inborn talents and their uniqueness. So we suggest you to go for DMIT test where you can get many benefits. Let us discuss some of the important DMIT test benefits for your children. So if you take a DMIT test, you can understand your child inborn talents and natural characters. So you can identify your children intent abilities by DMIT test. Understand the best learning style for your child. As we know, every child is not same. Every child is unique. So every child has their best learning style. So try to find the best learning style with a DMIT test report. Customize the learning program based on the learning styles. So if you know, once you got the learning styles, accordingly you can customize the learning programs. So child can grasp easily and understand better. Understand the right parenting techniques and teaching style. So after DMIT test, you will find the best techniques where you can suggest and guide your children accordingly their inborn talents. So So DMIT test report will give you some activities based upon their multiple intelligence and intent abilities, so you can focus on that activities, so that will help them to improve memory power and grasping power.